2 years ago, she broke his heart and disappeared without a word. But tonight, she's coming back. And this time, one kiss will change everything.
The train station was almost empty that evening. The sky was painted with soft orange and purple colors as the sun slowly disappeared behind the buildings. Ethan sat on a bench, scrolling through his phone, pretending he wasn't nervous. But he was, because today he was meeting Lily again after almost 2 years. 2 years ago, they were inseparable. Best friends, secret lovers, two people who couldn't stay away from each other. But life had taken them in different directions. And now, she was coming back. The sound of a train arriving echoed through the station. Ethan's heart started beating faster. People began stepping off the train one by one. And then he saw her, Lily, standing there with the same beautiful smile, the same deep eyes that once knew every secret of his heart. For a moment, neither of them moved. Then Lily slowly walked toward him. "Hi, Ethan." Her voice was soft, almost nervous. Ethan stood up. "Hi." There was a small, awkward silence. Two people who once knew everything about each other suddenly didn't know where to begin. Lily laughed quietly. "This feels weird, doesn't it?"
I know.
Ethan nodded. "Yeah, a little." They started walking together outside the station. The night air was warm and calm. Street lights lit the quiet road as they walked side by side.
I'm a little
"So,"
nervous. but this
Lily
feels-
said, "did you miss me?" Ethan stopped walking. He looked straight at her. "I tried not to." Lily's smile
It
faded
is.
a
I'm
little.
glad we could do this.
"But I couldn't,"
Me too.
Ethan continued softly.
Pretty good.
For a second, her
Yours?
eyes filled with
It's a
emotion.
beautiful night for a walk.
"You broke my heart
is.
when you
I'm glad
left,"
we could do
he
this.
said quietly.
Me too.
"I know,"
Feels special.
she whispered.
It does. Let's keep
"But
going.
the truth is, I never
Streetlights
stopped
make
loving
everything
you."
look so magical
The
tonight.
silence between
They
them
really do.
felt
It's
heavy
so peaceful
but
out here.
honest.
glad
Lily
we could take
stepped
this
closer to him.
Me too.
"I came back because of that,"
Ethan,
she said.
Did you miss me?
Ethan frowned
More than you know,
slightly.
Lily.
"Because
Really?
of what?"
I might need some proof.
"Because
of
I
that.
never stopped loving you
Sure, we
either."
can arrange that.
The words hung in the air. Ethan searched her eyes, trying to see if she meant it.
What is it, Ethan?
"Then why did you leave?" he asked.
It's about us.
Lily took a deep breath.
I'm scared, Lily.
"Because I was
What if I'm
scared.
not?
Scared
Ethan, you
that
are
loving
enough.
you this much would change
But what if I
everything."
fail you?
Ethan let out a
You
small
won't.
laugh.
We'll face it together.
Well, it did. For a moment they
Thinking
both
about the
smiled.
past.
Then a soft
Tell me
wind
what's on your
passed
mind.
between them, moving Lily's hair
This
across her
hurts too
face.
much.
Ethan reached out and gently
Lily, I
brushed
have
the
to
hair
tell you
away.
something.
His fingers
I never stopped
lingered
loving
on her cheek.
Ethan, I feel the
Neither
same
of
way.
them pulled away.
I'm so glad.
"Ethan?"
Let's make this
Lily
work.
whispered. "Yeah,
I've been wanting
I
to tell you
missed
something.
this." He moved
think I
closer
understand.
until their bodies were only inches apart. "I missed you," he said. Lily wrapped her arms slowly around his neck, pulling him into a tight hug. Ethan held her waist, feeling like the missing part of his life had finally returned. They stayed like that for a few seconds, just holding each other. Then Lily looked up at him. Their faces were close, their breaths mixing in the quiet night. "You still look at me the same way," she said softly. "Because you still make my heart race the same way," Ethan replied. Lily smiled and slowly leaned in. Their lips met in a soft kiss. At first it was gentle, almost shy, like two people
stay like this
rediscovering
forever.
something they once had.
This feels so right.
Then the kiss
You
deepened.
look beautiful tonight.
Ethan pulled her closer, his hands around her waist, while Lily's fingers slid into his hair. The world around them disappeared again. When they finally pulled back, both of them were smiling. "So," Ethan said quietly, "does this mean you're staying this time?" Lily leaned her forehead against his. "I'm not going anywhere." Ethan kissed her again, longer this time. Under the soft glow of the streetlights, they stood there holding each other, realizing that sometimes love doesn't end. Sometimes
right,
it
though.
just waits until
I know.
two hearts
I
find
never
their